Guys, I know that a lot of you have asked me, where do you get your GLP-1? It was Lily Direct, and I felt so bad about saying Lily Direct because I understand not everybody has $400 or $500 to spend on medication. So with that, I decided to put boots on the ground and find out, hey, how can I help you guys? I reached out to quite a few companies, some of these popular ones, and a lot of them had bad reviews and a lot of them ghosted me because they just didn't want to answer my tough questions. But I finally found one who did, and it's JoinOmu. So because I had a really bad experience previously with Compound, I was kind of skeptical, but I actually met with the physician that I am assigned to, who is now my physician, who I meet with every 3 months. I had a really long discussion with her. She explained to me exactly what was in Compound, exactly what was in my particular GLP-1 that I'm going to be taking, which is still the Zepbound. Even where they get it from, she's able to see exactly what's in it. She explained to me just everything about it, so that puts me at ease. Now, the JoinOmu website is super easy to use. When you go in, you sign up. Be truthful. They are HIPAA compliant, so just be truthful as far as, medications, if you have any other issues, things like that. The whole point is to help you. I have high blood pressure. I mean, these things play a role in not only the medication that I am going to be taking, but just my overall health. So because they are able to track, your progress and things like that, you can track it as well. I want to know whether or not my blood pressure is getting better or if it's changing, things like that. And not to mention, I do have a primary care, and that's helpful for them. The website is really easy to use, and they're coming out with a lot more things. They're coming out with like counseling, men's health, mental health, so it's going to be really good here in the future. But right now they are just going big with the weight loss, the GLP-1, helping you guys out. And of course, I got a code below. So the code below, and it's going to also be on the screen, you put that in at checkout and you get a month free. I'm absolutely going to keep you guys updated on my progress. That is not going to change. And with my sleep apnea, we went up to 5 milligrams. We're going to see how we do with the Compound. But of course, I want to keep you guys updated. And yeah, everything is going to be below. Stay tuned for more.